What's up, everybody? I'll start a YouTube channel. Say hi to Chance, Squints. Right now we're heading to Colorado. Excuse me, I'm fat and eating. I don't give a fuck. Ooh, Baskin Robbins is open. Ooh, Chick-fil-A, is it open? Damn, it's not. Fucking bitch. Colorado truck man is, it's about a fucking 12-hour drive. It's gonna suck. But yeah, alright. As long as you got people to keep you awake. We're about like 4 hours behind schedule. We're supposed to leave at 4:30-ish. It's almost 8 o'clock. We'll get there. Ease my Jerrytweeks. Gonna have to end up waiting for us for a little bit. But it's cool. Well, we're about to come to the show and fuck it up. For sure. So this is our fucking, what is this, our third stop in New Mexico? It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. I feel very unsafe here.
We've been in fucking Arizona too long.
Hey, what'd you say? What'd you say about that store?
They don't have any drinks. They just have a little ass cooler. It probably has like a jack shit selection as it is. We're in the middle of butt-fucked Egypt.
We're at the top of New Mexico right now. We're about 3.5 hours away from the hotel. We're gonna go sleep at Isma and Jerrytweeks' hotel. Cause ain't no point in fucking wasting money to buy a fucking hotel for 3 hours. We ain't gonna get there until 9 o'clock. Checkout is at like 12, maybe 11, but 12 if we're lucky. Go over there, rinse off.
Your best friend.
Hey, look, we found a new friend.
Get your fucking friends.
Hey, you came out to New Mexico and you found some pussy?
Damn. That cat has fatter nuts than you do, Squint.
Well, here's a little fun fact about New Mexico. In AZ, we don't got that shit. We don't got that shit neither. We have 87, 89, 91. They fucking downgraded by like 1. What'd you say? They got shit gas?
They got shit gas because they probably don't even have emissions out here. I mean, they got just shit gas for no reason.
So, we haven't slept yet. But we pulled up to Isma and Jerrytweeks' hotel. Got to shower up and everything, cleaned up and shit. Now we're out here. About to go pull up on FreddyLSX. Already met up with Ismael and Jerrytweeks over here. There's fucking Isma, Jerrytweeks over there. About to go pull up on FreddyLSX. And then see what we get into.
See, we not making no spending. Ain't got a person that gave it together. All the above, we do all the etc.
Just pulled up a day early, about to come unload the truck and leave it here. Fucking ride. Oh yeah. Just pulled up on the famous people, FreddyLSX. Got all his trucks out here. About to unload Bloody Mary and leave her here with FreddyLSX setup. Pretty dope opportunity. And this weekend we're staying with FreddyLSX. What do you think about that, Squints?
What's dope about it, bro?
Hell yeah. Well, we're gonna take Bloody Mary off the trailer and leave it here with all the Project Torque trucks. Put intros on, it'll be fun. Got here, fucking flat. Motherfuckers leaking already. What happened? Yeah. I'm gonna leave it right there.
Like they're saying, you want to make a sideways. You do or you don't?
A little bit.
A little bit? So are you going to take that price tomorrow? Who has it? You or Isma? Who has it? Who Who has it?
I told you don't swing. It's not gonna swing.
And nobody
I
cares.
bought tires for nothing. Damn, I bought them tires for nothing. I brought them tires all the way from AZ for nothing. Isma, Jerrytweek,
Give me the key. Don't make it swing.
Chance, FreddyLSX is somewhere over there. But yeah, we're gonna get this shit pumped up, unload this bitch off the trailer. We're gonna park it over there next to the giveaway truck. And if you guys aren't following FreddyLSX, follow him. Everything you buy gets you a chance to win that clean ass truck over there. Go with Freddy. I'm on my way over there. Sick. FreddyLSX out here, boy. He's my, huh? Oh, there's the pit over there. We'll take a walk over there right now in a bit. Oh, that's a little baby pit compared to Apple Valley. Oh, hell yeah. That's pretty sick. Go with Freddy. I'm on my way over there. Sick. Sheesh, that motherfucker's clean, boy. This motherfucker right here, though. This bitch right here, wet as fuck. Look at all these famous guys. How was the drive? The drive was, it wasn't bad, bro. I thought it would be worse than Cali, but it wasn't as bad. This bitch is wet for sure. All the other trucks are on that side, staging. Fuck. Wet as fuck. Sheesh. No soy compadre de un niño mental, pero puedo negar. Ya que seguimos firmes a lo que nos demanda. Y los arcos del oro, grapas en oro. Oh, that's pretty sick. Got 2 batteries on that bitch. Turboed. Sheesh, that motherfucker's wet as fuck. Ismael's about to hit the pit. And then after that, fucking Freddy's gonna hit it. Ismael's going first. Freddy's next. And then hopefully I can go after that. We'll see. Hopefully I don't fall off this shit because I'm standing on a fucking brick. Hopefully I don't get too hyped and fucking jump up and fucking break my ankle and fucking fall to the floor and snap my back out of place again. Get off the fucking brakes, nigga! Driving Ismael's truck so I could go get mine. These fucking potholes that fucking huge as shit. Look at these motherfuckers. At a racetrack, bro, come on now. You know these niggas got me hyped up, so you know your boy wants to get in there and fucking swing it now. Slim, I'm sorry, I'm fucking getting sideways on your rims. About to work out. I'm low-key scared.
What are some quick words?
Hopefully I don't break somebody else's intros because they're not mine. Hey, here, hold this.
Are you watching your temps or not? Your temps. He said fucking on the fucking intros.
He never swung it on those wheels, though.
Fuck no, he hasn't. That's what's funny. On the fucking 26er in the front. big ass pit, Adrian. It's full
Well, we just got done swinging the truck. The motherfucker's knocking out of fucking oil. I might have blew it before the show already. Show's fucking tomorrow, and this motherfucker's knocking hard as shit.
Fucking blown up yet. It's just a fucking lifter. Chill out.
He's trying to make me feel better about myself. He's trying to make me feel better right now. But I swear, I felt.
He white with a good credit score.
I think I might have fucked up Bloody Mary.
Nah, it's time for